Bore da pawb, croeso mawr I chi gyd.
It has been a very long 2 and a bit years, but I am grateful that we're able to be here together now. And as we reflect on that period, to consider our current challenges and to plan for the future.
It's really great to have Event Wales host something like this, bring everybody together, launch their strategy, talk about their plans for the next decade and think ahead. We all do very different things, but one thing we all do in common is we all run events.
And events really do help us to deliver on other vital Welsh Government priorities. That's why, in consultation with our partners, including many of you here today, we have produced a refreshed and renewed national event strategy for Wales.
It brings the whole industry together so we can share best practice. It makes us take ownership of that strategy so we all work together, because there's nothing more important in events. It makes our events an awful lot more successful. So to bring everybody together is very important in Wales.
Mae Strategaeth newydd yma yn rhoi her I bawb sy'n trefnu digwyddiadau yng Nghymru fi'n credu. Mae'n bwysig bod ni'n ystyried iechyd ein pobl, ein diwylliant ni, ein cyfrifoldeb ni dros genedlaethau'r dyfodol.
Our mantra in the FAW is together stronger.
So when they're playing for Wales, you do tell them you're not just representing modern Wales, you're representing its history.
I think we know how important events are to the wellbeing goals and sustainability, and our new strategy is, that's something that's at the heart of it. It's a thread that's running throughout it.
Ensuring accessibility is another key issue for event organisers.
So what we're doing here today is actually a really great first step into being able to measure things effectively and achieving what we are trying to achieve with this strategy.
It's great that we're launching an event strategy in Wales that encompasses arts, sport, business events to support each other and plan together how we grow back better after the pandemic and provide a really strong, resilient events sector for Wales and the world from here on in.
I think the strategy for me is really ambitious, it's pragmatic, it's things that we know that we can deliver, but ultimately it's all about collaboration, getting everybody aligned, and it's about all of Wales.
Mae Cyngor Celfyddydau Cymru yn ariannu shwd gymaint o weithgaredig yn gynnwys gwyliau a digwyddiadau cymunedol a chenedlaethol. Felly mae'n bwysig bod ni'n cael y cyfle yma I ddod at ein gilydd I gynllunio'r dyfodol ar gyfer amcanion gyda'n gilydd ar gyfer Cymru sy'n decach, Cymru sy'n wyrddach a Cymru sy'n rhoi cymunedau wrth ganol popeth.
The strategy line of working together is incredibly important. We come together today, and the sense of collaboration and us doing everything better together is a really strong community message, and we need to build on that across the whole of Wales.
We need to plan, prepare, adapt. We have this opportunity in Wales through the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act, through event strategy, which is completely aligned to that act, and the mission now is for that strategy and that vision to be delivered by you all.